Fluid Yoga app. You'll see it in the top right corner of my screen. So I'm going to click that and it goes right into our Fluid Yoga app. You will see classes that are grayed out, which is at the top here in the Wednesday column because the classes are over for today. And then when you look to tomorrow, Thursday, you can see the in-person ones grayed out and the virtuals are all available. And so if you're a member, you might be wondering, why can't I see that? There's a couple of reasons. One, well, the reason is you don't have yourself logged in. So there's two ways to log in. You can click a virtual class here, and if you try to say book class down here at the bottom, it'll ask you to log in. You can certainly log in there. The other way to log in is to put the hamburger in the top right corner there. You'll see the hamburger right here, and you click login. Now, once you click login, you will type in your email address that you have associated with your account. It's very important. And then the password that you have set up for that as well. So your username and password. We can always reset your password, so can you. You can also link it to Facebook. I haven't done that. Now it says I'm logged in. Now you'll notice I can see all of those classes. So it's still grayed out for tonight, but tomorrow you can see all the classes and I can see the in-person. Now I click in-person. I'm already signed up for that class, so let's go to a different one. And it'll show me in green one of the classes I'm signed up for. Let's pick in-person on Friday afternoon. So you'll see the book class at the bottom. You click book class. I can add a reminder to my calendar, which is awesome, and then I'm booked. Now when I go back to my schedule, you will see once it refreshes that I'm booked for tomorrow at 9:30 and also Friday at 4. Now if you're like, oh my gosh, I need to cancel my booking, you simply click on that class and you press the big red button at the bottom that says cancel booking. You say, yes, I want to really cancel it, and then it tells me I've canceled it. So you're all good to go. It refreshes and now I'm just booked for that virtual class tomorrow. That is how you book. Now I want to say one couple things here is that you'll notice that it's grayed out on Tuesday. That is because the classes are only booking 5 days in advance. So from today through Monday you can book, and then tomorrow you'll be able to book Tuesday and on, okay? We're just simply doing that because there might be changes in the schedule. The other thing is you want to make sure that when you're booking, you book at least 15 minutes before the class starts. Otherwise you won't be able to book it. So if a class is starting at, let's say 5:30, you want to book by 5:15 of the same day. Otherwise, it'll lock you out and you can't book. And remember to always cancel your bookings if you're not coming at least 12 hours in advance so that you don't get charged our $25 late fee, okay? That, my dears, is how you use the app. It's a great app. It's local to us. You can also read about the teachers if we have bios in there, etc. So there you go. If you ever want to log out, you would click on settings, click on log out, and you're done. All right, thanks for watching, guys.